Hello everyone and welcome back. We explains today we can with spiral math question try to solve within 10 seconds. After that I will solve. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have 9 square minus 2 9 divided by 9 times 9 minus 9. We will follow here order of operations and we have no parenthesis part. We will move for an exponent. Our exponent part is this 9 square. And 9 square is 9 times 9, which equals to 81. So we can simply write 81 minus 9 divided by 9 times 9 minus 9. Now here we can see four operations, that is subtraction, division, multiplication and subtraction. And out of this operation, multiplication, division have the higher priority than subtraction, and also they both have the similar priority. And in that case, we have to solve left to right for these values. And we have leftmost 9 divided by 9. This will give result 1 here. So we can rewrite 81 minus 1 times 9 minus 9. And 81 minus 1 times 9 will give result 9 here, minus 9. We will do left to right operations. And here 81 divided minus 9 will give result here what? 72 minus 9. And 72 minus 9 will give result here 72 63. Yes, 63. This is the right answer for the first question. And moving to the next question, we have 100 divided by 10 square parenthesis 2 parenthesis close plus root over 9. So we will solve 100 divided by 10 square times 2 plus root over 9. Now we have two exponent part. First one is 10 square, which is nothing but 10 times 10, which equals to 100. So we can simply write 100 on the place of this 10 square, and here root over 9. And root over 9 is nothing but 3. So we can simplify our equation by putting these simple values. 100 divided by 100 times 2 plus 3. This is our simplest form, you can say. Now we will again do left to right operation, because multiplication division has the same priority and addition have the lower priority. And first we will solve this division part, which is 100 divided by 100. This will give result 1 here, times 2 plus 3, and 1 times 2 will give result 2 plus 3. This will finally result 5. So 5 is the right answer for the second question. And if you are math lover, then subscribe us.